Oh, look at the monkeys. Now, I could run down there, tell them to come up, scare them away, shoo them away, because I just had to deal with the loss of a cat that they got ran over, or I found her in the road. So I could get excited, I could get worried, I could get so many things, but I'm not. Because at the end of the day, they're cats. They have a cat nature, a curious nature, and there's nothing I can do about them wandering. I can't know where they are 24 hours. It's my choice to have them be outside cats for my reasons, and so they stay outside, and so I can't control their whereabouts. I can't live in fear of when is the next one gonna get ran over. You know, I just got to go about my life, because what they do at night, there's nothing I can do. But I can just go about my life and pray and believe, and yes, know that the time that I have with them is the time I have with them. Okay? Yeah. So what's today's lesson? Chill out. And they have water. What is today's lesson? You can't control everything. Matter of fact, the things that you think you're in control of, you're not. If you have adult children, if you have children, period. When they go to school, when they go to work, when they're away from you, there's not a lot that you can physically do. And they come running. So they do run when they hear noises, but if they're across the street, yeah, that might look different. Uh, yeah, the things that you can control, yourself, your thoughts, what you choose to do at any particular moment. Yeah, that's what you can control. The rest of it, let it go, and let God be God. He knows what's best for you. As much as I would love for this precious Pootie to be with me always, and this precious Booty to be with me always, I know that that's not the case. They have to go one day. I don't know how they're going to go, but they will. Just like my family members, me. One day we got to leave here. We were not meant to stay here permanently. And it's not fair for us to try to hold someone here permanently, or even think that we're going to be here forever, you know? This is just a stopping point on the way somewhere else. All right? It's nice and peaceful out this morning. I'm back on getting up early. I used to be up at 5, and ooh, y'all, when distractions come, they come. And it's okay. We're going to get distracted, but don't stay. Don't allow yourself to be uprooted from a distraction. You can bend and you can sway, But get back on track. Quickly. It's been since the end of July 30th, that I've been getting up early. So I done missed a whole month and some change from a distraction. A whole month and a half, because I think it's the 15th by now, 17th. So when you get off track, just jump right back on. Just get back on, get back up. You fall down, get back up. If you stumble, gather yourself and keep it moving. I heard this unique sound. I was trying to figure out what it was. But yeah. So I'm going to let y'all go because this is already 6 minutes. And I ain't want to hold nobody. I wanted to share it. I came to share that spider web, the uniqueness of nature. Ah, and look who doesn't surprise. I knew I heard some kind of noise. Y'all, I got to pay attention around here because these cats and other stuff. What you done? Not Doobie done brought us a friend. I'm telling you, there's never a dull moment. But this case, he didn't bring it to let the other ones play with it. He done learned his lesson. He's keeping it out of the perimeter. So let me show y'all. This is the I'm moving into the house. This is the border of the house, and this is where, like the kittens, everybody usually stays. So to bring it around here, you're welcoming. You like welcoming everybody to dinner. And so that's what they used to do. They used to bring it in this area or either around the front. They would bring it in close. But that's what I'm seeing. He's keeping it outside the perimeter, which is great because I don't have to pour no bleach and pressure wash. Because they done been playing and chewing and eating on critters out here. So thank you, Doobie. Bon appetit. And whatever y'all having, anybody having breakfast this morning? What y'all having for breakfast this morning? What is y'all normal breakfast on a regular day? And see, they're out there. They don't know that he's in here. Crunching on bones. Ew. Did y'all hear that? Anywho, I will grocery out no longer. Y'all have a good one.